Hey Kyle, this is Tom with WFB Digital Solutions. Just got off the phone with you not too long ago and want to get you that video I was telling you about, showing some tips and tricks on how to improve your online presence. Some of the things I'd like to go over in this video is content, backlinks, and citations, and what those entail for you to be able to increase your ranking on Google and what they all mean. So first, we look at content. Google uses content that's on your front page to help you be found, basically, for your products and services to the right people, and then helps boost your ranking within the local key terms and keywords that people search for on Google. Google likes to see a minimum of at least 1,500 words, sometimes even 2,000. Just depends on who your competition is and how much they have on their page. So yeah, minimum at least 15, and then also having keywords in there. Keywords are a must to be able to rank you on Google. Keywords is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service on a product. And then in your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what the terms you want your website found for. So you want keywords that are related to your products and services. Don't want nothing else in there that's not related. At least you don't want plumbing or anything like that. So, which you obviously wouldn't, but just as an example. So looking at your web page here, it doesn't seem like you have a whole lot of content on this front page here, and that's what Google looks for, is that front page. It does look at back pages as well, which it looks like you have some back pages here. Making sure that you have sufficient content and keywords in each back page also helps you rank for each of those pages on Google. So I see that you have tennis courts and resurfacing, stuff like that. So each back page that's related to that, if you put keywords and content for each of those, it'll actually help you rank for those individual products and services that you have. So look at your top competitor in Boise, which is Boise River Fence. Look at their page, and they actually don't have a whole lot of content. If you look down, scroll down, a lot of pictures, but not a whole lot of content. They have maybe about 350 words, no more than 500, definitely. They also have a bunch of back pages here showing you everything that they provide and service. They probably have quite a bit of content on each page, but there's still not a lot of content on the front page, so it'd definitely be easy to beat them out on the content and the keywords, making you be able to rank high. They're definitely gain more rank in the Google local search listings. So, next thing I'd like to talk about is backlinks. So I use a program called Ahrefs that I use. So this shows you the keywords that you're using, backlinks, strengths, and of those backlinks and stuff like that. So backlink, basically, so you understand what that means, is anywhere you find a website linking to one another via a clickable hyperlink. These links should act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most likes or website pointing at them. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting that the relevance in your industry and local websites will work best. So it's showing here you have 176 keywords that you're using, 82 backlinks. The strength of your backlinks, we look down here, low, but definitely could be improved. So you could definitely find stronger backlinks, other websites that would help you out, making sure that the relevance of the ones you have is going to help you out and that they're not irrelevant. Like I was saying, the backlinks aren't created equal, so you can get your website posted on a backlink or another website for use of a backlink, but it's not related to your products and services at all, so that would actually hurt or not do anything for you. So we always want to have backlinks that are always working for you. So looking at Boise River Fence, they have 241 keywords and 13.9 thousand backlinks. So like I was saying, getting those backlinks and good strong backlinks will definitely help you beat these people out. Just because they have 14,000 backlinks doesn't mean that they're all working for them. They could have a lot of spammy backlinks, or there are some that are not even related. So even though they have 14, don't necessarily have to get that many just to beat them out on ranking. So one thing that they don't have, so they have trust, but they have trust, but they don't have a lot of power. Their power is pretty low with Google. And looking at yours, don't have any. It's not showing any trust. I don't know if that just it's just not showing it, so it's not being picked up. And then your trust is, or your power is 0.6. So definitely with increasing the backlinks, the keywords, definitely increase your ranking on Google. The one good thing you have here is 221 traffic. Your traffic value per month is 459, so that's awesome. You're pretty comparable to Boise events for the price of the traffic coming in monthly, and then their traffic here is 520 a month. So just think, your traffic right now where you sit on Google is 221, and you're making this much a month off the traffic. Boise Fence is having this much traffic a month where they sit on Google and making about this much. So you're making about the same value for the same amount of traffic. So if you were to get higher on Google and get more traffic like this, your value per month would increase dramatically, which should be awesome. So next thing I want to cover is citations. So citations are when you Google searching for keywords that you're wanting or needing, basically. So for your instance, it'd be Boise companies, Boise contractors, whatever. You'll see have a map pack come up. So this Google map pack has the Google Maps showing what companies are on here. So in order to get ranked on this, you have to have citations. What a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as they are on the Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local businesses since they can generate huge amounts of revenue. So being here first off, definitely a big game changer. Citations include directories. So anywhere you have your information in like Yelp, Angie's List, BBB, even Facebook. If you have Facebook, you can use their directories for free. There's hundreds of other ones that you can use. It's definitely the more you have, the better. Just even social media accounts would be great. So the idea is that your brand is to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than your competitors, it's definitely going to rank you higher. So after those three things, you need to get your content up, get more content on your front page with more keywords, get your backlinks, get more backlinks, and then more citations. After they all come together, you start to outgrow your competitors, and then you like I was saying about the traffic. So you're at this traffic with this value. Boise Fence is this traffic with this value. Pretty close on value. So if you were to get this traffic, I feel like you'd definitely double your value on traffic monthly. So that's like I said, it's a huge game changer. So and this is what I do for a living. I create this video for you guys to help you start generating leads online. I really hope this helps. If you find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out. I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals. I'm willing to do the research to find out exactly what would be for realistic for your business, and what it might take to get to those goals. So if you like what you saw, felt it helpful, felt it educational, I'd love to hear about it. Love some feedback. It helps me out. If you want to give me a call, 208-402-8268. Again, this is Tom with WFV Digital Solutions. I hope you have a wonderful 4th of July weekend, and hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.